Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest, in-depth product analysis. In today's video, we're diving into a USPS classic that's won hearts, literally. This is not just any stamp sheet, it's the best heart-themed postage stamp set you can get today. Let's start with what you're getting. This is a sheet of 21st class forever stamps, which means each stamp retains its value forever, regardless of future postage rate increases. Whether you're mailing a love letter, wedding invitation, or thank you card, these stamps make every envelope feel more personal and thoughtful. Now let's talk about the design. The Heart's Blossom stamp is an exquisite piece of art. It features a lush arrangement of hearts forming a blooming tree, all set against a clean white background. Designed by USPS art director Antonio Alcala, the image is rich in color, soft pinks, reds, purples, and detailed enough to feel almost handcrafted. It gives off a warm, expressive, romantic vibe that adds character to whatever you're mailing. The universal theme of love and connection transcends seasonal boundaries. Quality-wise, you can expect the same high standards USPS has maintained for decades. The adhesive backing is strong, the print is crisp, and the perforation is easy to tear cleanly. Plus, it's officially recognized and can be used on all first-class mail in the US. That gives it practical value far beyond its charming appearance. One of the great things about this particular set is its giftability. If you're the kind of person who likes thoughtful, functional gifts, this is an ideal pick. You can pair it with personalized stationery, a nice pen, or even that custom book embosser you've been eyeing. It's great for brides-to-be, pen pals, journaling enthusiasts, or anyone who just loves good design. Let's talk availability. While this specific stamp was issued in 2019, it's still available through trusted sellers on platforms like Amazon. Keep in mind, though, USPS has retired many of its older designs, so availability can fluctuate. If you love the Heart's Blossom design, don't wait too long to grab it. Now, for a bit of context, there are a lot of love-themed stamps out there, but few that balance elegance, charm, and everyday usability like this one. Some designs are too niche or holiday-specific. Others might lack that vibrant energy. The Heart's Blossom Love stamp hits a perfect sweet spot. It's sophisticated without being stuffy. Playful, yet refined. In summary, if you're looking for the best heart stamp out there, the 2019 Heart's Blossom Love Forever stamps deliver. They're visually stunning, versatile for any heartfelt occasion, and a joy to add to your stationery drawer. Whether you're a collector or just someone who still believes in the magic of handwritten letters, this stamp set is a must-have. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you decide whether these stamps are worth adding to your cart or collection, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite stamp design of all time? See you in the next one.